Even though this 2-ingredient condensed milk buttercream is the easiest frosting you will ever make, there are still few key points you need to know to absolutely nail it. And that is exactly what I am covering in this video. Let's start with butter. Now, butter should neither be in the melted form nor cold, that is straight from the fridge. Some say room temperature is the ideal. Again, that is also not the correct method because it is monsoons here in India, fall is about to start in the US and winters in Australia and New Zealand. So what exactly you are looking at is that the butter is soft enough to be sliced using just your fingers. Press it in between your fingers and you should be able to glide through it just as seen in the video. It is important that you use butter at the right consistency. Now with the consistency of the butter out of the scene, the next point to note is the timing. When you start whipping the butter, it is yellow in color clearly, right? But as you keep on whipping, the air will be incorporated into it, thereby lightening the color to pale yellow or even white as seen with our naked eyes. This would take anywhere around 13 to 15 minutes if using a handheld beater like I am doing right now, or around 8 to 10 minutes when using a stand mixer. Again, the timing is approximate, so if you are a beginner you can use this as a guideline, but the right way to judge is by looking at the color of the buttercream, which is the accurate way of measurement. Another tip while beating, not only in this case but as a general rule of thumb, is that you always should remember to stop every now and then mix the butter or the batter using a spatula to ensure that there is even beating all throughout. Now that our butter is ready, let's talk about condensed milk. I prefer using room temperature condensed milk, but some recommend cold. To me, it does not make much difference. Then, what makes a difference is how you incorporate it. So remember to add a little at a time and beat well. Again, do remember to scrape before adding the next addition. Adding all the condensed milk at once can deflate as well as curdle the frosting. Once all the condensed milk is added and mixed well, your frosting is all ready. Yes, it takes just 2 ingredients, butter and condensed milk, and a careful way of mixing them to make the best ultra smooth, silky, not too sweet or grainy frosting. In fact, this is my go-to buttercream and I have made endless cakes and cupcakes, and very recently I also made this no fondant mermaid cake for my daughter's birthday, which I'll be sharing soon. If that interests you, do consider subscribing to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any updates. From here, you can add any flavoring or coloring of choice depending upon the need. For this particular video, I am adding vanilla essence and beating it again. Look at that beautiful condensed milk buttercream frosting, all done and dusted, also known as Russian buttercream. If you are a baker, I would highly recommend you to check our blog post, which includes lot more details like how to fix curdled buttercream, how to color them, how to whiten them, etc. I will leave the link in the description box below for you guys to check out. And about the stability, this frosting is quite stable, pipes beautifully, can also be used as filling. I will leave all the links to the different cakes and cupcakes that I have made using this particular frosting for your reference in the description box below. And that's it for this one. I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.